How do you prepare for trial? In this video, we'll take you through a 6-stage case analysis method that you can adopt when preparing your case for trial. This case analysis method will work for both criminal and civil trials. Firstly, good case analysis begins with thorough preparation. Read the case papers thoroughly, research the applicable law, prepare a chronology, prepare a dramatis personae. When you have completed your preparation, you'll be ready to really start analysing the case. There are 6 stages to case analysis. Stage 1. Write down every idea that comes to mind about the case. Don't filter your ideas at this stage. After you have written down your ideas, you should then write a short summary about the case. The summary should be in the form of a list of propositions. This will be your initial case theory. For example, in a criminal case of assault, a case theory could be as follows. The defendant was angry with his boss for promoting his co-worker and not him. He had seen countless co-workers with less experience than him promoted above him. He hatched a plan to punish his boss. He went into work on Monday the 17th November armed with a 12-inch zombie knife. He walked into his boss's office and walked to where his boss was sitting. His boss was not aggressive or threatening. The defendant lunged at his boss. His boss was able to fight him off. The defendant ran away. The boss sustained lacerations to his hands and right forearm. Stage 2. Read your case papers again. Identify the facts which are helpful to your case theory, the facts that are not helpful, and the facts that are neutral. Put the facts in table form. Helpful fact. A 12-inch zombie knife was found in the defendant's car. Unhelpful fact. No one else witnessed the assault. Neutral. Both the defendant and the boss sustained injuries. Stage 3. Look at your facts again. Review the source and quality of the facts that work for or against you. Put the facts, the evidence, and the source of the evidence in table form. Fact. Evidence for. Source. Fact. The defendant was angry with his boss for promoting his co-worker and not him. Evidence for this. I've put in 20 years of hard graft. John has been on the job for 6 months. I should have got the promotion, not him. So yes, I was angry with him. Source. The defendant's police interview, page 3, line 11. Fact. The defendant was angry with his boss for promoting his co-worker and not him. Evidence for this. He was extremely angry about John's promotion. He threatened to take out a grievance against me. Source. The complainant's witness statement, page 2, paragraph 3, line 4. Evidence against. None. Source. None. Consider whether the facts are likely to become evidence in the trial. Is the evidence likely to be credible or reliable? Are there any admissibility issues? Stage 4. Review your initial case theory and see whether you are really likely to establish your case at trial. Rework your propositions until you are comfortable that you have a logical case theory supported by the facts and evidence. Stage 5. Review and check that your final propositions are in line with your client's instructions and with the law. Stage 6. Prepare a trial strategy plan. There is no right or wrong way to produce a trial strategy plan. The plan should set out your approach to the trial. The plan could be in the form of a table. The first column in the table would be for your propositions, the second for the evidence, the third column the source of the evidence. The fourth column would anticipate your opponent's likely response to the evidence, and the final column your likely plan for the trial. Proposition. Evidence for. Source. Other side's likely response to the evidence. Plan for trial. I hope you found this useful. We have prepared a comprehensive case analysis toolkit. The toolkit contains a full worked example of the case analysis method. Click on the link below the description box if you would like to obtain a free copy of the toolkit. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Copyright of advocacytutor.com.